Hello, students, and welcome to our reading intervention lesson. Today, we're going to be focusing on the short E sound. We should have lots of fun today, so here we go. And just to talk about real quick before we get started, our goal for reading intervention is to raise our scores on one of the reading tests that we took last week. This will probably look familiar to you right down here where it has three letters that make a word, but it's not a real word. We call it a nonsense word. And so your job is to be able to sound out these words even though they're nonsense words. So for example, this first one, I might read it n, e, m, nem. Second word, rep, lom. That's our goal, is to try to get so good at sounding out those nonsense words, okay? And so for today, we're going to focus on the letter E, and then what sound does the letter E make? All right, and I'm hoping that this will be very interactive. So I'm going to be asking you lots of questions, and even though I'm not there with you right now, you're watching the video, I'll ask you to participate and say the sounds and do all the activities along with me so that you can increase your skills as a reader. So when we say this E sound, especially the short E sound, it sounds like eh, eh. I want you to put your hand right here on your throat when you say that word. Feel what it sounds like. Eh, eh. Can you kind of feel it vibrate a little bit? Eh. That's the sound that it makes when we have a short E. Everybody, let's say it one more time. Eh. Good job. We use the eh sound to begin words like every, egg, empty, end, and elf. Can you think of any other words that start with that same sound, eh? If you can, send them to me. All right, now for the next activity, we're going to point to a letter, and if it's the letter we just learned, we're going to say the sound, and if it's not, we're just going to skip it and say nothing, okay? So I want you to watch me do it first, and then we'll do it together. Ready? So I'm going to start right here, and so if it's our focus letter, we'll say the sound, and if it's not, we won't. So right here I go, eh, 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 eh. Okay? You ready to do it? All right, it's all you. Ready, go. All right, nice job, guys. On to our next activity. So we're actually going to practice reading some of those nonsense words. I'm going to read the first line, and then it's your turn. So I'm going to have you watch me sound them out. So this first nonsense word here, I'm starting with the first sound, t, and then I have our short vowel sound, eh. So far I have te, te. And then sometimes this gets a little confusing when it's the line with the circle on this side. That's a B. So B sounds like b, b. So let's put it all together. T, eb, teb, teb. Okay? And then the next one, s, eg, seg, seg. Okay? And then it's p, ed, ped. All right, now it's your turn. All right, go ahead and sound out this word for me. All right, hopefully for that one you said yef. Okay, here's the next one. Go ahead and sound it out. Okay, did you say ret? That would be correct. All right, next one. Okay, if you said wes for that one, that is correct. If you said nev for that one, that's correct. Des. And last one, Beck. All right, great job, guys. So at the end of the week, we're going to have a chance. I'm going to have all of you take just one quick little test with some nonsense words like this, and we're going to see how high your scores can go. It's going to be awesome. You guys are going to do a great job. All right, now let's practice reading some of our high frequency words these are those lists of second grade words that you see so often in books that it's important you just learn that when you see them, you just know those words. And so I picked out 10 words that have a short E sound in them. And so since we can sound these out, we call these flash words, the ones we just are supposed to know really good. And then the other ones we have to remember them by heart. Okay, but these you can sound out. So I'm going to read them and then I'll read it once and then you guys can read it with me. Okay. The first word is best. Let's say that together. Best. Good job. The next word is get. Let's say it together. Get. Next word is help. Let's say it together. Help. Next word is let. Let's say it together. Let. Next word is red. Let's say it together. Red. Awesome job. Next row. Next column. Tell. Let's say it together. Tell. Next word. 10. Say it together. 10, just like the number 10. Next word is well. Say it together. Well. Next word is went. Say it with me. Went. Last word is yes. Yes. Great job. All right, last part today, guys, we're going to do a small reading passage. And these are all using that short E sound too. So I found this very short little story about this airplane named Brett. And the story is called Brett the Jet. So here's some of the words you might see in there. Brett, fed, jets, red, and yet. And then some other sight words in there, be, but, and fly. Okay, so let's see how we can do. I'm going to read this through once, and then I'm going to have you guys read it on your own. Ready? Brett is a jet. Brett, the jet, is red. Brett can fly, but Brett can't fly yet. Okay, let's see if you guys can read that. Okay, ready? All right, how was that? How did you guys do? All right, let's read it together one more time. Brett is a jet. Brett, the jet, is red. Brett can fly, but Brett can't fly yet. Awesome job. All right, and this last one I'm going to read for you. Follow along with me. Brett has to be fed. Brett likes gas. Jets are fed gas to fly. Brett, the jet, has to be fed gas. Okay, now I'm going to let you guys read it. Ready? Here we go. That sentence, Brett has to be fed. All right, next sentence. Brett likes gas. Jets are fed gas to fly. Last sentence. Brett the jet has to be fed gas. All right, my friends, that is the end of our lesson today. You did such a great job. Thanks for your hard work today. Next, you're going to go into your mind play lesson. Make sure that you do that every single day. That's super important for getting better and stronger as readers. Great job, everybody.